I can also split names into two columns. So I've got all these names in one column, and I don't want them organized by alphabetical order by first name. I want it by last name, so I want to split them. So I highlight the data that I want to split, go to the Data tab, and click on Text to Columns. And then it gives me some choices. I definitely want to pick delimited as my data. Then it shows me what it looks like now. I click on Next, and normally Tab is selected. So you have to take that off and come down and select space. Since there's a space between the names, by selecting space, you can see that it puts a line there. It separates it. I click Next. It shows me what it's going to look like. I'm just going to leave it on General. I could put it on Text, but General Text, it understands what kind of data it is. And click Finish, and I have it divided into 2 rows.